we're going to talk about wishes. A wish is something that you really want, but it's not true or not possible. Let's look at some examples. I wish it were raining right now. This means I want rain, but it is not raining right now. This one says, she wishes it had rained yesterday. Means it would be good for her if it rained yesterday, but it did not rain yesterday. Now let's look at the grammar of these sentences. I wish it were raining now. Now usually when we're talking about right now, we'll use a present or present progressive verb. But you see here we have a past progressive verb. When we talk about wishes, we usually use one verb tense to the past. So we're saying it's not raining right now. We go back from that present progressive verb to a past progressive verb. It were raining right now. You'll also notice, usually with it, we would say was. It's this weird thing with some of our conditionals, including these wish statements. We'll often use were instead of was. Now some people will say was in speaking, I wish it was raining right now, but the more official version and the version you would use in writing is I wish it were raining right now. Let's look back at this second example. She wishes it had rained yesterday. Again, we see this verb tense. Yesterday, we'll usually just use the simple past, right? But again, we go one verb tense back. From it didn't rain yesterday, simple past, we go back to she wishes it had rained, past perfect. Now I want to look at the difference between the similar word hope and the word wish. Let's look at our examples. I hope we can find a parking spot. Means we are driving, we are looking for a place to park the car, and we say, I hope I can find a parking spot. It means maybe we will. We are looking right now. And this example is very similar, but it says, I wish we could find a parking spot. This means we are looking and we can't find one. It's not possible, but I wish we could. Notice with hope, we're talking about the present and we use a present form, can find. But when we talk about those wishes, again, we go back one verb tense into the past. Our can changes to could. I wish we could find a parking spot, but we can't. There are no parking spots here. Now, if you want to talk about yesterday, you were looking for a parking spot, we need to go again one verb tense back. Yesterday, I looked, simple past, for a parking spot, but I couldn't find one. We'll say, I wish we could have found a parking spot. Now this is one of those really complicated things, taking a modal to go into the past. If you want to review how to use modals in the past, I'll link a video on that topic in the description box of this video. But we have hope with the normal verb tense, with the present. I hope we can find, and that's a true possibility. We have wish, which is not possible. It's, oh, I wish. I wish we could find a parking spot, or I wish we could have found a parking spot yesterday.